So after a long break, I'm back with another exciting video, and today I will show you a nice, profitable, high accuracy strategy that will help you a lot in day trading. And this strategy works best, and you can see I have manually tested this strategy. I will show you the results at the end of this video, and this strategy is very beginner friendly and also very powerful. So you guys know I try my best in this channel to bring a valuable content and valuable strategies. And I am also a day trader, and I am not someone who didn't have any experience in crypto trading. I have more than 2 years of trading experience in this field. So I will try my best to bring the most profitable strategies, and I will also suggest you to join my Telegram group. And I post related to crypto and Bitcoin and overall market. So, and I will also suggest you to please subscribe my channel and make it number one channel on YouTube, so I can bring more powerful strategies. So for this strategy, first of all, we will change the time frame to 5 minutes, and for the indicators, guys, we will search for multi TF EMA. So here it comes up, you can see this and memorize it. And after that, we are applied to it, and then we will go to settings and we will change these settings. First of all, we change this number to 15 minutes, and then we will change the second box to 5 minutes, and this similarly third box to 5 minutes. And these other settings will stay same, except we will change the color of the third to red. So we will increase this opacity. So I hope the settings are clear, you can see. So guys, let's start our strategy. First of all, you will check whether the candles are above blue line, that is, or a high EMA. And when this happens, you will check if it bounce back from the blue line or not. So if it bounce backs and it is above this level which it already made, you can see it crosses that level after bounce back, and we can use the stop loss below the red line, the lower EMA. And this is a very good stop loss, and you can see we have a beautiful smooth winning trade. So this is a powerful trade, and you can see we can use here also, but you can see this doesn't cross that level I told you earlier. This level is not crossed. So you have to I am saying this thing after experience. You will see later in the video why I am saying to cross this level. So this thing I am saying you is to so you avoid any losses in the real trade. So we will open the trade. If you open the trade here when the both of the lines are below the green line, then this is a confirmed trade. But you can also open your trade earlier uh, by the rules I told you. Whenever the candle is below the red line, and the it is also below the green line, and it is also breaking the previous any support. So after that, you can open your trade and you can use your stop loss below the previous uh, higher or blue line. So you can see this is also a nice beautiful winning trade. So you can see let's reveal our results. So I have manually recorded all the values in this Excel sheet from the trading chart, and you can see we have almost 72% high accurate winning result from this strategy, which is very high. So this is a very accurate strategy. If used carefully, you can now yield this is very important results. Part of the video. The video is not end yet, and if you watch this video fully, and you will fully utilize this strategy to its full potential. So otherwise you will increase more losses, and that 44% or 42% will become your almost 90 or 80%. So you see, first of all you will wait for the bounce back from the or red line if in case of a short trade. So after breaking this support, we will open our trade. So remember this thing. So whenever I say that wait for the bounce back, it means if it means the candle should break the previous support. So you can see after using this thing, you can see we have a beautiful winning trade. So although this trade was not much powerful, because I don't know in random trade, I am picking randomly trades, so I don't know where these things will lead to. So in real trading, you also don't know when to take profit, where market can lead. That's why first of all you have a benefit from these strategies. Whenever both two lines crosses the green line, then it is very highly predictable that it will be a very powerful uptrend or downtrend respectively. So and you see that whenever there is a pump like an upward trend, you will not take any trade, otherwise you will go into losing. Why? Because market wants consolidation, market wants some rest. So you can see after this pullback, this was a guaranteed trade, although I don't know where the market can go because it is full random picking. So I said you, whenever there is a previous resistance in case of buying, and if it broke that, you will trade on the bounce back. So I hope you are getting understood what I am saying. So first of all, we wait for the candles to go below the red line and also below the green line. So then we will wait if they broke the previous any support in case of selling. So if they break any previous support, then you will open your trade, otherwise you will be getting a very small profit. Although in recording results I taken 1%, 80%, 1.5% result also in consideration. So it's up to you how much you want a big profits or small profits. And another thing you can take from this strategy is that I told you earlier, when both you will wait. For example, you open a trade here after the bounce back, then you will after opening the trade you will wait, and you can increase your stop loss, trailing stop loss, and you will wait if the both the lower and higher crosses the green line. If that's happened, then you can then you are pretty much sure about that it will go a long way. That is from my experience. So this strategy can work very great, can work very beautifully in your trading if you utilize it correctly. And I told you all the tips and tricks, all the ins and outs of this strategy, so you don't get any into any trap. So if you utilize this strategy carefully with all the tips like bounce back tip, like the breakage of support and resistance, you will take that 72% to almost 98%. So that 72% is like whenever there is a trigger of the trade. So that is not a human like when in real trading we put a lot of things in consideration, but that was only on the condition like whenever it is below the red we open short, and whenever it is above blue we will open a long. So I hope you like today's video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.